it's going to be, yeah, we're going to put that together, the giveaway PC, the $600 one first. I have no idea what this is other than an OBD2 power scanner.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
So it's going to be a kind of a two-parter. We're going to, first off, get this apart. These ends come off. There's 6 screws. It is a SmartBox, whatever that means. So the local battery shop brought it into me because you can kind of see bottom of this port not looking so hot. So I don't know why I'm zooming in. I can just get it closer to you guys. Yeah, you can see the bottom of it's not looking so great. Said it's not functioning correctly anymore. 6 screws. I'm gonna have to use my long boys. Long man. We got all 6 of these screws out. Alright, he says it just comes apart. Alright. And once we get inside, some more screws. Let's get these guys out. Once we are inside, we have an additional 2, 4, 6, 8 screws, it looks like. This all the way out. Interesting that there's all of this stuff in here, and then there's a tiny little thing right there. That is an SD card. Ooh, glad I didn't yank. We have 2 very thin wires on here for something. Have to remember to plug those back in. Alright, so let's take a close look here because I think this actually might just be some cracked solder joints. So this actually might be a pretty simple, straightforward repair because I can see, so right there you can see, why did it do that? Not connected. The rear ones are good. So our 2 grounds not connected. So let's put a little flux on there, reflow them, and then have him come pick this up. This is actually going to be a real simple and quick thing. And this can happen when you have stuff that has relatively, we're going to add some more solder to that as well, FYI. When you have relatively, like, I don't want to say bargain, but we'll call it low-cost components. All right, yeah, that guy does not move anymore. But let's add a little bit of solder just to be nice. Yeah, the port itself isn't not in great shape, that's for sure. We're just going to add a little bit on there. Some reinforcement. Same deal on this side. Oh yeah, thing's quite nice. So is there anything we can do to fix the bottom of this? Probably not, but let's see if we can. And so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. I just want to see if I can straighten out the bottom of that USB port a little bit. Because you can tell that people, this is being a company tool, being gentle with it. It's, you know, it's not theirs. What do they care? And we're just going to back together. There we go. Let's grab a USB connector, and then we're just going to, in we go. Like that's loose, but it's USB. What we can do to increase that is on the side, we have our little levers here. Just push the lever in a little bit on both sides, just to try and compensate for the years of use this thing has gotten. Like how I specifically zoomed in so you guys could see, and then I moved it out of the way. That's pro level, like, entertainment right there. So now, let's do this bottom one. Same deal. And then do what we can with this without cracking it. Push the top down. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. Yeah, maybe. All right, I think this is ready to go. Nice, quick. Those wires are still connected. Now, the question is, which way does this go? Probably doesn't matter, right? All right, so 50 bucks. Let's get this out of here. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.